What's up, guys? I wanted to make a video on caulking the bottom of baseboards. I couldn't find anything good on YouTube, so I wanted to make my own. So let me show you what we got. All right, so as you can see, I taped off all the baseboards. We caulked the top of them, painted it, and now I'm caulking the bottom of them. So you can see that way's already done. This way we have to go. This is the caulking gun I'm using, and it comes with these plastic attachments. And so what I've done is I'll put a bead down here. I'll keep this tool level with the baseboard. I'll rake it so it's a nice flat bead of caulk on the side underneath the baseboard. And then we pull the tape up. And there you have it. Nice, clean bead of caulk underneath the baseboard. You're inevitably gonna make a mess, so a wet rag wipes this right up. So you have your plastic tool, this caulking gun, I have a razor blade, I've got a dry rag, I have a wet rag. I also have a bucket of water just in case I need it. And there you have it. You can even do it around the door frames. Just when I thought I got in a fall in the shower. That's when we knew it's love. Well, I can be. It's not that the troubles me. All right, if you found this video helpful, let me know down in the comments and post a picture of your project. Appreciate it. See you guys.